Hey guys, what's going on? So I'm quite really shocked with AliExpress, specifically their delivery. Okay, I got this product from AliExpress, and lately, maybe in the past 5 or 7 months, I've been buying my stuff from AliExpress rather than my Prime Amazon account. Okay, and the reason for choosing AliExpress is because of the price. There are prices in AliExpress which is like sometimes it's $10 cheaper, and they're the same product. I think the difference is with Amazon you can get the product in maybe less than 2 days. But if you recall, back in like 5 7 years ago, when we order stuff from AliExpress, it would take about more than 30 days before we will get the product. And by the time we receive the product, we have forgotten about our project. So yeah, I got this just today, and they said it's about a 15-day delivery period, and it's just the 12th day, and I got it already. So I'm really surprised how fast they were. Okay, and then this is my new hot air station, which I, like what I said, bought from AliExpress. And the reason for buying this stuff is because I need to fix the board on my Pinecil, what's this, soldering tool, soldering iron. It broke. So yeah, I also bought the SMD. How do you call this? Where is that thing? It's quite tiny. There you go. It's quite tiny. I got it from Muser Electronics. Okay. What is it? Where is it? That's the name. Multi-layer ceramic capacitor. Yeah, it is a 47 microfarad and then 10 volts. Okay, but in their schematic they said they should be able to handle like 16 volts. So I'm not sure. I think this will still work. But yeah, it's an SMD capacitor, so that's the reason why I bought this thing. All right, guys. So let's open it now and see how it looks like. Okay. Let me pause the videos so it'll be easier for me. 1 second. All right, guys. Wow, nice packaging. Really cheap. All right, let's see. It's quite heavy. Wow, look at that. It's crappy. We'll see. I don't know how it looks like. I think it's about like 5 pounds. What's this thing? Hot Air Rework. Oh, that's how you call it. Hot Air Rework Station. Okay. I got the first row, 858D. That's the one I got. What's the difference between the other one? I don't see any difference. Damn! What the fuck? In their posting, their ad, they said it's 110/220, but it's only 220. What the freak? Jeez. I think that's what you get with stuff from China. Damn it. Let's see. Okay. Oh no, it's 110. Oh my god. Damn manual frick. Hey, sorry about my words earlier. I was really pissed off. I wasn't aware. I'm okay now. There you go. So it's 110. So let's look at the front. This is how the front looks like. Wow. Pretty neat. Okay. having a hard time holding it. There you go. So this is currently on. What's this? Okay, and then what? Oh, this is the airflow, so that it doesn't actually push the parts away. You have to. And then I was told by someone I should set it to like 330. I think that should be enough to melt the solder on an SMD. But you know what? I'm gonna try it with my dead flight controller. It's somewhere here. Oh, here, I found it. So I'm gonna use this again. It's the one I used on my last video. We're gonna try removing some how do you call this? Some SMD capacitor here, like maybe this one. Yeah. Let me zoom in. Oh my god, it's so. Okay, I think that would be better. Yeah, I'm gonna remove that one. Yep. Okay. Alrighty, guys. So I believe we should get started, and then I want to show you how it works. But quite honestly, I have never used or never owned a hot air rework station in my entire life. This is my first one, and I am not sure if I need some parts. I have no idea. Oh, you know what? Yeah, we just started unboxing. Maybe there are other things here. Okay, it's that one. The power. Okay, what's this thing? Let me zoom out again. Yeah, what's this thing? Looks like a clamp. You know what? Engineers don't read manual. I'll have to read the manual. Oh, there's another one there. Oh, this is the one that they put in to restrict the amount of air coming out from the tool. Okay. Yep, I don't know if you can see it. Yep. All right, and then this is most likely the tool. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Oh, nice. Alrighty. Wow. There you go. That's where you insert that thing that I was showing earlier. Okay, cool, right? Yeah, this is it. Oh, that's where the connector goes to. Okay. Yeah, that one. Okay, let me pause it again so you can see when it's connected. Okay, guys, I have inserted it, but I have not secured it yet, so. It wouldn't. Well, there you go. Now it's tightened. Okay, looks good to me. It's tight. All right, and here it is. Yeah, like what I said, okay? And then angle sensor. Maybe if it's upright, it will turn off, maybe. Yeah, that's the brand. I got this from AliExpress. Okay, now let us connect the power cable. Okay, power cable is connected. Now let's turn it on. Oh sheesh, what's going on here? Maybe I shouldn't be doing here. SLP, sleep. Let me check if hot air is coming up. I'm gonna put it against my face. Yeah, cold air is coming out. So now what we need to do is figure out how to actually add temperature. I'll have to read the manual, okay? I don't wanna make guesses. There you go. Alrighty, guys, I'm gonna make another video, which I will show how we will fix the capacitor, okay? And then hopefully I'll be able to finally make this working again. I don't know yet. Maybe there are other parts that are broken too. But there's only one that I found bad, which is the capacitor. We'll see. Alrighty, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the unboxing, and I'll keep you posted.